Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Weekend Adventure Scrapbooking Workshop, and this is one of the Stampin' Up designed workshops. And it uses the sticker sheet that looks like this. And I can't for the life of me find the directions and the cutting guide, but it comes with those and I used many of the stickers on this, but I feel like there were a lot of stickers left over that you could use on an extra page or another project. So this is a very fun sticker sheet. So these are the layouts. You make 3 2-page layouts with this workshop. And this one uses that beautiful buffalo plaid that I liked so much and had to make a whole layout about it. So this is just layering. So it's got floating panels, and then I don't know if these aren't stickers, so these must be punch outs, or oh, they're paper cuts. And then we've got the photos layered on here, and then you're just adding some stickers, some die cuts to make it have a decoration. So just don't forget, if you don't have the photos, to put your foam squares on there without sticking them down so you can add those photos later. That's layout 1. So layout 2 uses this tree paper and this fun blue, I think it's like Misty Moonlight with the fleckles on it. It's very cute. So we've got a nice base page over here with a landing site to put your photos on, and then add that decoration in various layers if you can. And then this page, we've got, again, the floating elements. So you just make sure I did the little acorns first and then butted everything up against those. This here is a sticker sheet. And then I think this is a sticker too. I'm just hiding that sheet from myself, but it's not a sticker, so it must be a die cut. And then we've got some more stickers and die cuts over here for decoration. And very cute. So I didn't put these little photos things on here because this lives here and you just put your photo on top of there. So that's why it looks different. And then layout 3 is very fun. I love this wood paneling. So make sure that your wood paneling goes the same direction on both pages, unless you want to make a statement about something. We got a diagonal cut. If I do this for you, no problem. If you do it for yourself, I used a T-square and a cutting mat and my X-Acto knife. You can just fold the paper in half and cut it with scissors if that's what you have access to. And then this is really attractive here. And this is just a panel cut at an angle, and then adding some strips of paper to this, and it just looks so attractive with this white piece there. So that was very fun. And then we just added a couple other pieces, I suppose, to make it look like it belongs. And here's another one, this Calypso coral-ish paper with the fleckles on it as well. And then we added this. So this one was a die cut shape with this nice big title on there. And then this one, I don't think that was a sticker. Yeah, it's another die cut shape. So some nice big titles on this one. So very fun. And then some stickers and things. So that is our Stampin' Up scrapbooking kit for November Weekend Adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.